Yo guys, kuningi. This is alleged. So now kuthiwa a close friends screenshots are in. Mihlali plans to downgrade her lifestyle, including her car, after her little run with SARS. According to reports, SARS issued her final letter of demand for over 580,000 rands in unpaid taxes, including penalties and interest. So now the original amount was around 490K, but it's since ballooned after missed payments. SARS reportedly gave her 10 days to pay or make an arrangement, otherwise, serious legal action could follow. Now, this comes just months after Mihlali was spotted rocking designer outfits and flaunting bikini bags worth over 1 million rands. Oh my gosh. So this is what she posted on her close friends on Instagram. So this is what she wrote. Yo, dealing with SARS consultant is honestly the worst nightmare ever. You explain one thing 10 times and still get no way. Can you all refer me to a tax specialist? Waphinde futhi wabhala ukuthi now that I'm halfway in paying my taxes, I want to downgrade my lifestyle and probably my car too. Shame. Mihlali. Okay, now let's just go through the comments and see what people had to say about this. Usilona, she's looking for funding basically on those posts, and your boyfriend will love to help him. Hi, guys. Yes, about. Surely there's already a crude man promising to pay as we speak, so it's not a big deal for her. Soon she'll be gone to Dubai after that trip. Just know that SARS will be settled ASAP. Okay, guys. Sizwangani. Utilona, I honestly thought Mihlali is a multi-millionaire. I thought she has 500,000, the tax money, just lying around. I nambengazi ngitshe Mihlali imali unayo like 500K guys, just 500,000. Guys ngene ibone uMihlali ikhwama ayiphathayo ukuthi ibiza kanjani. Indawo ayihambayo, impahla ayigqokayo, ama-campaigns awasebenzelayo, but-ke asazi uthi lona amagudumela will pay. Hayi asazi ke sana, sizwa ngawe thina, we do not know. Uthi lona she'll bounce back nkosi yami, mina kuyimanje ngishoda ngo-2,000. Uzoba right ntombazane. Yeah guys, uzoba right. If this is true, she will definitely bounce back. People, they always do. Yeah. Utilona, so these people just forget to pay taxes. Hey, asaz guys, asaz. Akanawo Capitec bazomfakela abantu ku Facebook. Hey, hayibo, bayithatha abantu imali la. Bayathatha imali ku Facebook abantu dlala ngabo. Uthilo, the wives of the married man she used to sleep with are dealing with her decisively. Hope she recovers, because by the look of things, she's really begging to fall. Ebo, she's really beginning to fall. Her brand is now tainted. Hopefully she meets a fool from Limpopo and save her. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so someone came through with the screenshots and said le account e poste that thing was a fake, and nami ngiyawubona umehluko laphayana sesikhommente kangaka, but it's all fake guys. I will see you on my next video.